Good morning, all students. In today's lecture, we will discuss your chapter second, remaining part of your chapter second, polynomials. In chapter second, yesterday we discussed about the basic of polynomials, how we will verify the relationship between their zeros, and how we will finding out the zeros. क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल के जीरोस कैलकुलेट करने थे, हाउ वी विल वेरीफाई देयर जीरोस एंड रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन देयर कोफिशिएंट and sum of formulas based on identities alpha minus beta, alpha plus beta, alpha cube minus beta cube, that all yesterday we discussed. Now students, in today lecture we will discuss the topic is that first of all the remainder theorem or the we will check whether that the given divisor is a factor of a dividend or not. That how we will check. If a remainder will come 0, then yes we can say, and if a remainder not will come 0, then we cannot say. So for that, first of all, to form a cubic polynomial, how we will form a cubic polynomial? If sum of zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma given, alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha is given, and alpha dot beta dot gamma is given to you. So required cubic polynomial is f of x equals to k x cube minus sum of zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma x square plus sum of product of zeros. So sum of product of zeros alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha x minus product of zeros alpha dot beta dot gamma. अब स्टूडेंट देखो, इस पे भी इस क्वेश्चन आपका डायरेक्ट ये भी हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ द सम ऑफ zeros is equals to 5, sum of product of zeros is equals to minus 10, and product of zeros is equals to minus 20, then form a cubic polynomial. Then students, how we will form a cubic polynomial? Sum of zeros. So sum of zeros meaning, first of all, value is given to you alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to 5. Sum of product of zeros alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equals to minus 10, and product of zeros alpha dot beta dot gamma is equals to minus 20. Now we will substitute the value in given formula. F of x equals to k x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is sum of zeros is 5x square, plus sum of product of zeros minus 10x minus product of zeros minus 20. So f of x is equals to k x cube minus 5x square negative positive negative 10x plus 20. Now we will remove the k is constant, so f of x is equals to x cube minus 5x square minus 10x plus 20. That is the required cubic polynomial. Understand students? Having any problem? No? Now next, yes. Next question, if only separate zeros are given to you, like if alpha is equals to minus 1, beta is equals to minus 2, and gamma is equals to 3, then form a cubic polynomial. So students, here there separately 3 zeros are given to you, then directly you will substitute the values here alpha beta gamma alpha beta, that all. डायरेक्टली आपको क्या करना है, इस फॉर्मूले में डायरेक्ट वैल्यूज पुट करनी है. जहां पे अल्फा है अल्फा वैल्यू पुट करनी है, गामा है गामा वैल्यू पुट करनी है, एंड बीटा है बीटा वैल्यू पुट करनी है. then you will form a cubic polynomial. Understand? Now next is the division algorithm. So division algorithm, and you know in chapter second which part is deleted? Students, you know? Students, listen my voice. चैप्टर सेकंड में कौन सा पार्ट डिलीटेड है? वॉइस इज ऑडिबल. यस, डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम, राइट. ओके, बट डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम में क्या है, उसको रिमूव किया है. बट डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम में बेस पे क्वेश्चंस है, वो तो आपको कैलकुलेट करने हैं ना. हाउ विल फाइंड आउट द जीरोस? सो नेक्स्ट टाइप क्वेश्चन, इफ in a biquadratic polynomial. So what is the biquadratic polynomial? Whose degree is 4. A polynomial whose degree is 4, that is known as the biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. So biquadratic polynomial is written from f of x equal ex4 bx3 cx square dx plus e, and how many zeros? 4 zeros are having. So now we will take the question that is type second question, and very very important question. Find all the zeros of 2x power 4 minus 3x3 minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 if two of its zeros are under root 2 and minus root 2. So here students, a given polynomial is the biquadratic polynomial, and in biquadratic polynomial how many zeros will exist? 4 zeros will exist. Only 2 is given to you, and we will finding out the remaining 2 zeros. इसमें remaining 2 zeros को क्या करोगे? Find out करोगे. So let that is alpha beta, इसके zeros क्या होते हैं? Alpha, beta, gamma and delta. So alpha and beta we know, then we will find out the gamma and delta. So here two method. First of all, that is value of alpha and beta. Alpha and beta we have, then we will form the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial form kar lo, then divide. So here zeros are under root 2 and minus under root 2. So x equals to under root 2 and x is equals to minus root 2. Both values are of x or not. So x minus under root 2 multiply x plus under root 2. Here we will use the identity a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. So x square minus under root 2 whole square. X square root 2 square is 2. Now students, here x square minus 2 is a factor of p of x. And what is p of x? You will consider that given polynomial is p of x. 0 है तो इसके factor होंगे. And if x square minus 2 is a factor of p of x, meaning is that if we will divide p of x by x square minus 2, then remainder will come 0, because this का factor है तो remainder क्या बनेगा आपका? 0 बनेगा. So now we will divide. Now p of x is divided by x square minus 2. किससे divide होगा? x square minus 2. So x square minus 2, then p of x is 2x power 4 3x3 minus 3x2 plus 6x minus 2. It's first term को first term से divide करते हैं. 2x power 4 divided by x square, that will come 2x square. 2x multiply that, 2x power 4, ये इससे multiply होगा minus plus minus x square. So x square term where we will write down the downside of x square. So 2 minus 4x square. Negative, positive cancel. After x power 3, 4, what we will write down x power 3? So minus 3x power 3. Minus 3 plus 4 plus x square plus 6x minus 2. Now again divide, that will come minus 3x minus 3x cube minus minus plus 6x. Positive, negative, cancel, cancel. X square minus 2, x square divided by x square plus 1. So x square minus 2, negative, positive, cancel. Remainder what will come? 0. ये तो फैक्टर है तो रिमाइंडर तो क्या आएगा आपका कंपल्सरी 0 बनेगा. So now we can write down p of x. p of x को क्या राइट कर सकते हो आप? Which is equals to x square minus 2 and 2x square minus 3x plus 1. रिमाइंडर क्या आ रहा है? 0 आ रहा है. So here we will finding out the all possible zeros. So p of x equal x square minus 2, ऑलरेडी zeros है, इस फॉर्मेट में राइट कर सकते हो बिकॉज आपने इसी को इस फॉर्मेट में राइट किया, तो रिवर्स प्रोसीजर भी कर सकते हो. सो एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2 को क्या राइट करोगे? x माइनस अंडर रूट 2 एंड x प्लस रूट 2. नाउ हियर वी विल डू द मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिट. In middle term split we will take the two number such that their product will come 2, and if we will add then 3, then possible number 2x square minus 2x minus x plus 1. So p of x equal x minus root 2 and x plus root 2, 2x common, x minus 1, minus 1 common, x minus 1. So p of x equal x minus 2, x plus root 2, 2x minus 1 and x minus 1. Now for finding out the all zeros, we will put the all bracket is equals to zeros. zeros कैलकुलेट करने के लिए स्टूडेंट क्या करोगे? जो भी ब्रैकेट है उनको किसके इक्वल पुट करोगे? आप जीरो के इक्वल पुट करोगे. So zeros are, फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट से क्या बनेगा? रूट 2 माइनस रूट 2 1 अपॉन 2 एंड 1. नाउ राइट डाउन इन असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग फॉर्म. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल माइनस रूट 2 आफ्टर 1 upon 2 1 and root. So understand, if two zeros are given to you, then how we will form the remaining two zeros. So student, that type of question is very very important question. Okay, now next type question. And students, if you will go through the sample paper, then you will self analyze then which type of question asked in examination. Now next, if in next question suppose their zeros are given to you 3 plus minus under root 5, as zeros given है, then how we will form the divisor? आपको divisor form करना होगा. Then students, how we will form the divisor? First x is equals to क्या बनेगा? 3 plus root 5, that is alpha. Second x is equals to 3 minus root 5, that is beta. Alpha and beta we know here, then we can easily form a quadratic polynomial, either formula or method. अब देखो method से कैसे form करोगे? x minus root 3 minus root 5, x minus 3 plus root 5. So that can be written as x minus 3 minus root 5, x minus 3 plus root 5. a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. A value x minus 3, b value root 5, x minus 3 whole square minus root 5 whole square. A minus b all square, a square minus 2ab plus b square minus 5. So that form x square minus 6x plus 4. First method. Second method, how? Required quadratic polynomial f of x equals to k x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha dot or beta. Here we know the value of alpha, here we know the value of beta. So substitute f of x equals to k x square minus, what is the value of alpha? 3 plus root 5 plus 3 minus root 5x plus alpha dot beta 3 plus root 5 multiply 3 minus root 5. Simplify. F of x equals to k x square minus root 5 cancel 3 6x plus 3 plus 5 3 minus 5 identity a square minus b square, then 3 square minus under root 5 square. So f of x is equals to k x square minus 6x plus 9 minus 5, k remove करो, f of x equals to x square minus 6x plus 4. So student, you can use any one method to form the divisor. आप डिवाइजर फॉर्मूले से भी फॉर्म कर सकते हो या फिर डिवाइजर x की वैल्यू से भी फॉर्म कर सकते हो. By putting the zeros is equals to x, you can understand students. Any problem? No? Now next type question, and that is very important question. If given to you the zeros of a cubic polynomial are in AP, then how we will form or how we will finding out the. Gaurav Kumar present. Gaurav Kumar present. Gaurav Kumar. Gaurav Kumar, listen my voice. Group में connect है Gaurav Kumar? No. Okay. Now next question, that is very important question. If the zeros of the polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 are a minus b, a plus b, then find a comma b. अब देखो ये क्वेश्चन इस फॉर्मेट में भी हो सकता है, इसी क्वेश्चन को डिफरेंट फॉर्मेट में भी लेके जा सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन सिंपल, इफ द जीरोस ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल आर इन दैट देन फाइंड आउट द एपी. सेकंड टाइप क्वेश्चन क्या हो सकता है, if the zeros of the polynomial are in AP in arithmetic progression, then find the zeros. So if the zeros are given to you AP, then that case you will also consider its zeros are a minus b, a and a plus b. उस केस में भी क्या करना है आपको, जो जीरोस है उनको क्या क्या कंसिडर करना है, a माइनस बी, a एंड a प्लस b ही कंसिडर करना है. A minus b, a and a plus b. So how we will finding out the values of a and b? Students, here first zero alpha is equals to a minus b, beta is equals to a and gamma is equals to a plus b, because the given polynomial is a cubic polynomial. Given polynomial क्या है आपका, cubic polynomial है. So here we will use the relation, that is sum of zeros sum of product of zeros and the product of zeros. So first of all, we will find out here sum of zeros. So sum of zeros minus coefficient of x square divided by coefficient of x. So sum of zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma minus coefficient of x square minus 3 1. What is the value of alpha? A minus b. Beta value a, gamma value a plus b is equals to 3. B cancel. 3a is equals to 3. So what is the value of a? A value will come 1. जो आपकी a value बनेगी वो क्या बनेगी? 1 बनेगी. Second, we will use here product of zeros or sum of product of zeros. Sum of product of zeros. So sum of product of zeros is coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x cube, here cube. So sum of product of zeros alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equals to what is the coefficient of x? 1 by 1. Substitute the value, alpha value a minus b multiply a plus a multiply a plus b plus a minus b and a plus b is equals to 1. Now we will simplify a minus b and a value put karo 1 minus b multiply 1 plus 1 multiply 1 plus b plus 1 minus b and 1 plus b is equals to 1. Simplify 1 minus b 1 plus b 1 square minus b square equals to 1. b cancel 1 cancel 1 plus 1 2 minus b square equals to 0 minus b square equals to minus 2 cancel b square equals to 2 b square equals to 2 that is the quadratic and a quadratic have how many solution? 2 solutions. After that taking square root on both sides. So square roots on both sides, then b is equals to positive negative root 2. So a equals to 1 and b is equals to plus minus root 2. Understand students why we will consider here one sign is positive and another sign is negative. Having any problem? No? So question ये भी हो सकता है students, if the zeros of the cubic polynomial are in AP, then AP में है तो भी आपको क्या let करना है a minus b, a and a plus b, and if given in that form then you can do directly. Understand? Any problem? No? So that is the all about of your yes of your chapter second. Chapter second में और कोई problem है? If you have any problem, then you will discuss with me, okay, on my WhatsApp number. Yes. Yesterday I messaged you on WhatsApp पे तो बेटा कुछ आया ही नहीं मेरे पास.